In this Navisworks Manage 2017 overview, I want to take you through the quantification tool. This will allow you to extract data from the model and load it into a quantification workbook. So the basic information we have for starting up is using the project setup tool. We do provide you to workflow tutorials here that we have on our help website that will take you through how to set up a project, how to use the item and resource catalogs, and then perform a model takeoff. There's also some basic catalogs which we can use. So I'm just going to use the uni format one. You can create your own though and then browse that catalog. And I'm going to be working in metric. And these are some of the takeoff properties and units that you can use inside of the application. So if you're wanting to measure volume, weight, area, perimeters, heights, etc., they can all be customized right down to the detail you want. So you may be wanting to work in millimeters for length and widths, and you can customize these as needed. And now we have our default uniformat workbook to do takeoffs from. So the simple workflow here is to select information in the model and then bring it into the workbook. So an example that we want to go through might be something with the structure or the foundations. So if we look at, say, the basement walls, and we want to do an extraction from the model from the basement walls. So inside of this model, we can go through and select that information. And if I want to find it from the selection tree or from, say, a selection set, I can extract it directly off here. So I'll just take the walls here from both basements, hide unselected, and here's all my basement walls that I simply want to take off. I can then go and do a model takeoff from selected, and this will extract the information and load it into my workbook catalog here. So very simply, I have in this basic wall here information on the name, on the length, on the width. I did this all in millimeters. You could do this in meters if you want. The height, the perimeter, it's already taken off automatically and loaded into that workbook. Now from here, what you can do is send this out to an export application. So if you want to send it out to export XML or an Excel spreadsheet, you can send it out, save it, and you can open that file up, and it will provide you with a report which you can add costings to. So this is a really powerful tool to extract quantities off the model, bring it out into an Excel spreadsheet, and then use it for your costings.